Welcome. In this video, we will speak about the difference between dates and times as a data entry in Excel. First time, to understand how you can write the dates, you must go to the format cell. We speak about this and say this is the cell. If you right click and go to format cell, here you will find everything you can put inside the blank cell. We go to date. If I need to write date, you must follow this expression. And you can also change from here. Here English, United Kingdom, you can change to United States or as you like. But for this template, you must enter first the date as day first, after this month, after this you can write the year. Okay. For the time, you must enter the hour, after this double dot, and after this you write the minutes, and after this the seconds, and you must enter it by 24 format. Okay. I will make cancel and try to write the date. First, I need to write 24 March 2010. I write 24. After this, I put slash. After this, I write 3 and slash and 10. Enter. Yes, it will give me the date. I can write by another way. I can write 24, okay, and dash 3 dash 10. Enter. He will give me this as a date. Take care. This blank here is general. After I write the date, it became date directory. Okay. Take care. If you start by month, after this the date, he not give you the format for date. Try to write 3 slash 24 slash 10. Say he not give you the date. He write only what you need, and this is general, because everything you can need, you will type in the blank, it will coming as you like, unless it be have a format in Excel like date or time. Okay. Take care. If I write 24 slash 3 or 0.3, no different, slash, and write 32. Wow, what's coming? Take care. When I type here 10, it's coming 2010. When I write here 32, it's coming 1932. This format in Excel. If you type in the year from 0 until 29, he will give you 2000. Okay, this means if I write here 20,000, take care, he will give you 20,000. Okay, but if you write from 30 until 99, he will give you 1932, or as you type. If I write here 99, take care, he will give you 1999. Okay, this everything about the date. You can change the type number from here. If you need to start, you press here and go to format cell, and you can go to the date and change here to United States. In this case, you can start by the day, after by the month, after this the day. Okay, I will cancel and return to the default. Okay, the times. I told you by format here. Again, go to date, time, you must type by this format 24. Okay, so if you need to put 2 hour AM, okay, it will be 2 AM. Okay, if you write 14, it will be 14. You can write 2 but BM. This means it will be 14 also. Okay, thank you. This is everything about the dates and times. Thank you and welcome in another video.